In this video, we are going to create our very first HTML page, and we are going to do that on Code Sandbox. So you have to first create a new static sandbox on the Code Sandbox tool. So let us first of all visit the Code Sandbox. So this is the kind of dashboard you should be able to see after logging into your Code Sandbox. Now over here, if you click on new sandbox, after coming onto the dashboard, if you click on new sandbox, you will have to select the static template over here. So let's click on that. After which you will be redirected to this kind of a screen. We'll have to wait for it to completely load, and you already have an HTML template available over here, which we don't want. We are going to create our very own new folder to write our HTML file from scratch. We are going to create a new folder named HTML, under which we'll create a new file called as activity.html. So after that, we are going to add an HTML head and body tag, and we are also going to close them appropriately. We're also going to write some text inside the body tag, something like first HTML page, and we are going to save the file to see the results as well. Also, just some cherry points for also giving a title to your web page as cute web page. So let's get started with this demo. I would recommend all of you to pause the video now and try to solve this activity on your own first of all. Alright, let us now see how we are going to do the same on Code Sandbox. So let us go to Code Sandbox, and first of all, let's create a new folder by clicking on this particular icon. I'm going to name it as HTML, under which I can create a new file with the help of this icon. I'll say activity.html. Now I will start writing my HTML code right in this empty file. So I'll first of all say doc type HTML. It simply tells that I'm going to follow the HTML5 standards on my HTML web page. Now I'm going to write HTML tag first of all. I'm also going to close it. Now between these tags is where the complete encapsulation of my page content will appear. Now over here I want to have my head tag. I'll also try to close it right here. And then between the head tag, I want to keep the title for which we were getting the cherry points, right? So we want to keep our title as cute web page. After the head tag, we want the body tag. Now under the body tag, we wanted to keep some kind of a sample content. Let's keep it under an h1 tag, which stands for a heading. So I can say this is my first HTML page, and I can close the h1 tag. And now if I save it, I want to run this particular activity.html. Let's see how exactly we can do that. So on to the same URL, you can just add a folder html/activity.html. If you click on enter, you will be able to see the page that you have just created. So this is how you can create your own HTML pages.